Hello guys, compliment of the season. I'm happy to be in your presence today. Today I want to share with you how to make a popular design that we always see online. A lot of people have been asking me how would they go about this particular design, especially they always go with couple design. So today I decided to share with you how to go about this particular online design. So we are going to use two cards. It's always been done with two cards. So I'm going to use card one. Card one is so special. So you can, manipulate card one to give you different design. And I'm going to use this as well. So guys, let's see how we can go about this. So right now I'm going to install my card. So you don't need to get card pin on this type of design because it's going to be like combining two cards, so you are going to be removing it. You don't need to use a card pin for it. So right now I'm going to start with card one, and I'm going to put card one on hold. So let's see how it goes. So guys, this is card one on hold on my machine right now. You can see. So I'm going to put card one on hold right now. I put it on hold, and I'm going to come to turn this knob to inform my carriage. I'm going into punch card knitting. I'm going to knit row one, down to bring out the pattern, to bring out the needle in the pattern that is in the card. And this is what we have. So right now I'm going to engage the second color. We are in the season of Christmas, so I decided to use Christmas color. So I'm going to fix the second color. I'm just going to knit one needle out of it manually, then press the pattern button. So I'm going to go ahead and knit 16 rows right now. So let's go. Meanwhile, my card is on hold. Card one is on hold. So I'm going to go ahead and knit 16 rows right now. So guys, here is 16 rows of card one, using card one and put the card on hold. So right now I'm going to release the pattern button. Then I'm going to remove the white color. I've disengaged the white yarn, so I'm going to install back the forest green yarn and knit 2 rows, but I did not touch the knob here. I did not touch it, I just leave it on. So I'm going to knit 2 rows right now of this particular color, forest green. See the needle with me, select what is in the card. You can see right now. So right now I'm going to go ahead and knit with another color, the same card one. So I'm going to manipulate card one by making it to rotate normally, and fix it on large size. So right now I'm going to engage the red. I told you earlier that we are in the season, so I'm using the color of the season. So I'm going to fix it. See card one, then press the pattern button. Then after pressing the pattern button, so I'm going to go ahead and open the card. I think you can see, and open this card to large. That's it. So then I'm going to engage the white as the second yarn. Then I'm going to start moving and knit 10 rows right now. So guys, this is 10 rows of this second knitting or second phase of card one. We made this with card on old and knit 16 row. Then I managed to put this forest green in between of these two set of knitting, then knit with card one, rolling 10 rows. So right now I'm going to engage my second card right now. So let me see. So my second card is being faced right now and it's on old, guys. I've put it on old right now. So right now I'm going to release the pattern button because I'm going into another knitting. But meanwhile, you see this knob is on permanently. I did not touch it. So right now I'm going to remove this yarn and use red, to select what I have in this new card I just installed in. So I'm going to use it to select it down. So the pattern is being selected right now. So right now I'm going to press the pattern button, then introduce the forest green into it. Then before then I'm going to go to my card and remove it from old. I will remove it from old and fix it on green, that is small size. Then come back to insert this as my second yarn. Then I'm going to continue knitting for 30 rows. So guys, this is 30 rows right now, so of my second card. So right now I'm going to remove my second card. This is it, and install back card one again, just to cap it up. Just what I have after this design, I'm going to re-knit it on top of it. So right now I'm going to go by fixing the card. Then I'm going to go ahead and remove this, press the pattern button, still leave my knob here on, and knit one row of the card one right now to inform my machine. So I'm going one row of card one. You can see it is being selected. Then I'm going to insert white to it and press the pattern button. But before then, I have to change the knob to large here. Then press the pattern button. Then I have to knit 10 row to cap it up on it. So 10 row right now. So this is 10 row. I have stitches dropping here, maybe because of the way I sit down. After knitting the 10 rows, so I'm going to knit 2 rows of this, to differentiate from the green. Just what I did here. So I'm going to cancel this. My card is already on hold. I will knit 2 rows of this right now. You know that I did not off this, it's still on. So the second row, then I'm going to introduce the white color right now. Then press the pattern button, and the card is already on hold. So I knitted 16 down. So I'm going to knit 6 to show you how to cancel one particular design on this card one on hold. So knit 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, So guys, this particular design, that some area will be green all through. So let's see, I'm going to cancel about 8 needle right now. This is it. That's 8 needle. So guys, I'm going to cancel 8 needle right now. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I'm going to cancel this first front 8 needle always. So when it's selecting, I'm going to be canceling it just like this. So I'm going to knit right now. Then I'm going to cancel it again. I will start to cancel the selection of the needle at this area. I will start to cancel. I said 8, but it's going to be 12 because both at the one at the back is going to be affected too. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So 16 right there. So I'm going to be working like 6 or 4 rows of it just to cancel it, to have that. That's row 1 already. So I'm going to go the second row right now. So I'm going to cancel it right here. You can see we are having white loop here. That's the second row of it. So I'm going to come right now, knit again, then cancel it. So guys, you can see that I have it cancelled for 4 rows. I decided to choose 4 rows right now. So guys, I'm going to continue and leave it that way, then without cancelling the needle selection. So I'm going to, like, this is 10 row now, go to 16 row. We have 4 row of cancelling here. So let's see what we have.